How to turn off active status on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to turn off active status on your Snapchat, what you're simply gonna do is first open Snapchat on your device. Now, in the top left corner of your screen, you can see your Bitmoji. Click on it, and then in the top right corner, you'll see the setting icon. Go there and then scroll down until you go to the option which says privacy control. Under it, you'll find the option named activity indicator. Click on it and then you'll see activity indicator which is toggled on. Just toggle it off and then there you go. Now your activity status on Snapchat has been turned off. Now other people cannot see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. So hope you liked it. Thank you for watching till the end of the video and see you again in the next one.